What's up, guys? So,
What's up, my homies?
Mezzo back at it again. Where's Ethan at?
Yo, here we go.
So this time, so last video we parted the red Honda logo, and then now this video is
We're not ricers, alright? We're not ricers.
now
Video.
we got this little air intake. What's the brand? K&N. K&N.
That's 30 horsepower. Yo, actually, you know what? We actually got performance.
What?
That's 5 horsepower each.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. We saw last video.
Like it's holographic too, so you know it's gonna add like 6.
Alright. So this should be easy install. You know, I think that's where it's supposed to go.
Yep.
Just get rid of that old OEM one.
Rev it. Alright, we're gonna do it before and after.
Yeah, before and after. Probably be whack. You can hear it a little bit.
Bro, is that a flashlight?
What?
Are you getting a flashlight?
I'll bet. I hope it is.
Our flashlight right here. As you see, we're gonna add the padding in. It's kind of like rock solid right now, but some guys like it like that.
Now this is the air filter, and this is the cool looking part.
What should we do first? All right. Step 1 is to disconnect the negative terminal, right?
Pliers.
All right. The next step is to disconnect
This
this.
Yeah.
What is it called?
What the fuck is
The mass air sensor.
Yes.
Or the mass airflow sensor. MAF.
Oh,
And
yeah,
then
you don't need
pliers.
these, right?
Pliers.
What do pliers do for?
Pliers to pinch this and then pull that out. Alright, so step 3, we need to get this little hose off of this. So, here, I'm gonna go in there. Hopefully I don't get burned. Well, that's actually like really fucking warm.
Just pinch and pull?
Yep, pinch and then pull up.
This
Pinch
one?
and pull, guys.
Yep. Oh,
There we go, I got it.
All right. What's the next step?
Alright, y'all, so good. Oh! We got this Phillips screwdriver. There's a little clamp down here. Loosen it up a bit.
Okay, so while me and Jason are working on the engine, Brian's gonna be cutting this tubing that's gonna go on the heat shield over there.
It's gonna be 27 inch, and the other one is 14 and a half.
Uh-huh.
The padding or whatever. It's way harder than it looks, dude.
Alright, so how's it going, Brian?
Hell, because you gotta try to shove this in and make it fit.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, just take your time with it. It's not that serious, right?
5 hours later.
Alright, so Brian managed to get the little thing in the hole. But alright, and now he's working on getting the tube on the outside.
It's harder than it looks.
And while Brian's doing that, Jason dropped, a tool into my engine bay.
I got that middle bolt.
We came up with another solution. We just found another bolt. So
Oh.
hopefully we'll find that other bolt later that we lost in the car. And hopefully Ethan's engine doesn't blow up.
Yeah, I'm just driving and then the bolt just flies into the engine. Yeah.
Come on, moment of truth.
Bootyful.
We're taking this whole thing.
Yeah, the whole thing popped
The whole thing,
Even this.
yeah.
Did you not loosen that one all the way?
Probably
The
not.
clamp?
Get the Phillips. Bam!
Yeah, baby.
It takes out. Alright guys, so what I'm gonna do now is get the sensor and put it on the new pipe. So no one can hold the camera right now. So I'm just gonna set it right here. Alright, so here, just take the sensor off and then put it back. Put it onto this pipe right here. We should be good. Some fucking tight ass screws, bro. Your screwdriver is dull. Alright, we gotta find some way to unscrew this now. Be back.
You know, Cash Money Brian. I was kidding. Cash Money Brian. Oh, Shabby Brian is putting it on now. Yeah. Yep. That's how you screw anything you want. Ah.
Yo guys, so we're putting on the heat shield.
So we put on the heat shield.
Yeah.
Damn, bro, that's
Now you just install the intake.
No cap? Oh!
Just hammer it. Alright, put the silicone hose on the throttle body and you should be good.
Put this in first, through
Yeah,
the hole.
through the heat shield. Alright, we're back. So they provided us this thing right here. So you're gonna cut that into 1.5 inch, and that is gonna go on your intake in a bit. Alright, so what happened was there's a mount, and Jason took out this screw right here. Shit, man. This screw right here, where my middle finger is pointing at. I don't know if you can see it. And then you're gonna use the little mount they give you as a spacer in between, and you're just gonna, right here, it's blurry, but whatever. This screw is a long screw they provided, and you just mount it. Oh, Jason, you wanna blow your nose again?
No.
Okay. Yeah, done fucked up.
Alright, y'all. So I tightened up the clamps to make sure it's airtight, so no air gets leaked, so Ethan's car doesn't lose any power.
And explode.
Yep. Now
Now put the tube,
you put the
the thing I cut earlier.
little tube thing on. I don't know if it's too much, cause I don't know if it's too high.
So try to push it out as much as you can.
Just push it down hard.
Alright, y'all. So we just got the new camera. I mean, the battery, the camera. Alright. So
Now we just put the filter on, bro.
yep. Now.
Loosen it and clamp it.
Yeah, smell the truth. Got the clamps and everything, like right here, right there. Has a new sensor. 10 bolts.
Because there's like a kit that you get for this,
Right
like
there.
$10. Because
There.
normally this is red, and you can see how it's kind of pink.
Yeah.
The spray pink.
And it's screwed in.
Alright, now just putting it on. Hey.
It's like a glove. And
Yep.
All you do is clamp it.
Righty tighty.
Yep, just tighten that.
And now you are done. Alright, tip of the day, rubber band between your screws. So you know you get more grip.
Yeah, that was on the stock one. Okay. So
Alright, so now we just plug in the sensor back.
yeah, it was the other way here.
Yeah.
There you go. Now you're finished. Now you're
No,
finished.
you're not. Battery.
Yeah, we need to reconnect the battery, and then we're gonna double check to make sure everything's perfect.
Yep.
Battery, just hand tighten it.
Jason gets shocked.
Yeah. Emission inspector can see it when the vehicles are cars. To be tested for emissions, California requires testing every 2 years. Other states may vary.
Oh man, this
All
is plus another 2 horsepower.
This is an intake sticker or something
Plus
like
5 is intake.
There you go.
Plus 10 for exhaust. Cause it sounds better.
That's not very
See.
good. Typhoon intake systems, baby.
that. It's not focusing, but y'all get it.
A few moments later.
What's up, people? So Ethan's gonna rev it. I'm just gonna let it run for a bit. Yeah. So first step, let it idle for a bit. Alright, big essential, keep your OEM part, cause you might need it later.
Or smog.
Yeah.
Cough, Californians. Fuck California!
But yeah, just make sure you keep everything in there, and he's gonna keep it in his room next to his bed.
You wanna sleep with it?
Yeah.
I want to see with the stock one.
So they're currently trying to reset Ethan's radio, and I'm just chilling. Cause they come on, Ethan, let me suck your dick. Yeah, man, I'll suck your dick if you let me drive your car. And then Ethan's like, no, nigga, you gay. But then Brian's like, come on, man, it's better than my TL, man. I don't want my TL. Like, bro, and then watch Brian's gonna drive Ethan's TL. Alright, Ethan's about to start this bad boy. Pick.
Can't hear anything yet.
What? What's the difference?
The growl.
Yeah, wow,
Oh.
it's hella, dude. You not hear that?
Do it.
Oh, no.
Nah, there's a bunch of speed bumps here.
Yeah, that's why I'm not doing it.
Fuck, dude.
Well,
Yeah, take a do. Oh!
VTEC! Oh, VTEC!
Hey!
Dude, it's so fucking nice.
And 1 horsepower. No, the nice thing is because it's not a Civic, it's like a new Honda, so the ground's actually light. It's not a rice.
Alright, so I'll shoot.
Oh no! This the Brian hitchhiking and shit. Dumbass. Alright, now we're just waiting for Ethan.
Yeah.
He's all the way over there.
Alright guys, so what's gonna happen now is we're actually gonna wait for Ethan. He's gonna do a little flyby, a little Ricer flyby.
Yeah. I don't know which one is him though.
He's gonna try to do it.
Is that him? No. Next one is the cop.
What you boy?
I think that is him.
I can hear him.
You can low-key hear it, kinda.
He's not fluent. I can hear him when he was over there.
He comes. Alright, let's see. Oh, sorry for the bad quality. Oh, what? Bro! Go, go, go! Alright, that was a little oh, that was pretty bad. I thought they was gonna floor it.
This guy, Ethan is a pussy. Yo, before all of this, we got our license first, right? No. He got it second, but Ethan, alright, he's the safest driver in the squad.
Yeah. I think he's done. Alright, John, now we're going back to my house to clean it up and probably eat. Alright, y'all. So, we're back home and we're about to eat, and Ethan needs to put his box together so he can take home his old intake, his doo-doo intake that let no airflow because for some reason they had like the cover, you know. And now he's a free-flowing man.
Yeah, pretty happy with it. $250 worth well spent.
$250.
Yeah.
Now you get probably like $100-something air tailpipes.
Yeah.
And then there'll be a wah 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 wah. Brian, you know what to do with this part. when Ethan has his new intake tailpipe.
This is the stock one. I'm taking this home.
And it's gonna go and insert my nose one.
Yo, we are back at my house. I hope you guys liked the video. If you guys enjoyed it, I would ask you guys to please like, comment, and subscribe. And thanks for watching.